Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another brand new video about Makharij, the exit points of an Arabic alphabets. In previous 5 parts, we have done 15 different letters with 5 different exit points, 5 different Makharij. I hope you got all of them and you would have them all of those videos about those 15 Arabic letters on my timeline. So here today we have two more Arabic letters, which is Ha here, and after Ha we have Ain. Ha and Ain, they have same point. They are pronounced by the center of our throat, middle of our throat. Ha, Ain. Both of them are soft and light letters and sharp letters. Ha and Ain. In this picture, I think this is more clear. Ha and this one, Ain, pronounced from the middle of our throat. The sound of Ha and Ain comes out from the middle of our throat, from the center of our throat. Ha and Ain. Okay, now repeat after me. Try to say that sound with me. Ha, ha, Ain, ha, Ain, ha, Ain. Right? Remember, middle of our throat. Ha and Ain. I hope you got this. And insha'Allah ta'ala, we will do more letters in different sessions. See you in our next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.